Hello everyone. In this video, we will inform you about Çilingoz Nature Park on the European side of Istanbul. In the content we have prepared, you can find answers to many questions such as where and how to get to Çilingoz Nature Park, entrance fee and visiting hours. You can also support us by subscribing to our channel. Çilingoz, one of the nature parks in Istanbul, is located in Çatalca. Çilingoz Nature Park, which is one of the places to camp in Istanbul and was declared a nature park in 2011, has an 80-meter wide, fine sandy beach and Çilingoz stream flows right next to it. It is an area where you can spend pleasant moments in touch with nature, where you can enjoy swimming, Oki Hall, cafe, restaurant, market, camping place and beach, as well as rental tents. It is possible to fish in the lake located in the north of the region. There are hiking trails for trekking in the forest in Çilingoz. In order to meet the needs of the region, a country restaurant and a buffet serve. If you ask where and how we can go to Çilingoz Nature Park, Yalıköy, in the town of Çatalca, about 125 kilometers from Istanbul. Located within its borders. It is 62 kilometers from the center of Çatalca. It takes about 2 hours by Istanbul Beşiktaş. Unfortunately, there is no public transport to reach the nature park. You can reach the nearest Karaköy by public transport. After that, you can only go by hitchhiking. Çilingoz Nature Park entrance and accommodation fees. There are two different options as daily fee list and accommodation fee list. As you can see on the screen, these are the current prices with the video date. The daily rate is valid until 2100 hours in the evening. Accommodation price schedule is valid until 11 o'clock in the morning. Çilingoz Beach. It is a cove with an 80-meter beach. At the same time, the sand of the beach is thin and sticks to the body. The sea is clean and clear when there are no waves, but it is worth paying attention to because it is the Black Sea. On the left side of the beach, there is a place where the sea and the creek meet on the rocky side. There are mullet and carp species in the creek and you can fish with your fishing line. The surrounding of the stream is covered with reeds and offers a beautiful view. Those who wish can even rent a pedalo or a boat and travel to the virgin forest and the stream. Çilingoz picnic area is intertwined with the camping area. Sometimes you may be bothered by the barbecue smoke, but you can barbecue however you want. And there is a market where you can find all the tools for barbecue. Positive aspects of Çilingoz Nature Park. Toilet and fountain are available. The price is at an affordable level. There are buffets and similar places where you can meet your needs. Trekking. There are many places where you can do activities. It is a suitable place for those looking for family camping. It is a place where you can do fishing activities. When we look at the negative aspects of Çilingoz Nature Park, the most important thing is that the phones don't have service. It is very busy and crowded in the summer and spring months. The last sound of music at night can disturb you. It is quite far from the center of Istanbul and the Anatolian side. Unfortunately, there are a lot of excursionists. The beach is not very clean. You can get information by calling 0534 687 30 60 for information and questions before you go to Çilingoz Nature Park. Yes, friends, we have come to the end of a video. If you have any questions that we missed or want to add, you can write them in the comments section. You can also thank us by subscribing to our channel. We wish everyone a good time.